So for B part 3, we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to have our positive domain. So it's going to be when 3 minus x is greater than 0, or we can say that 3x is less than or equal to 3. So that's going to give us our positive domain. So if I want to show the steps, I can just do 3x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, and then solve for the x like that. So there's my positive domain. It's just going to be 3 minus x. And then for the negative domain, it's just going to be the opposite. So it's going to be when x is greater than 3. And then we'll use the opposite. In this case, I'm just, instead of putting the negative on the outside, I'm just going to flip those around, because 3 minus x is the opposite of x minus 3. For the last one here, the last one was x squared plus 4. Now this one's a little bit unique in that x squared plus 4 is always going to be positive. So when we talk about this as a piecewise function, this is always going to be positive. So we can just use a positive value. So the positive domain is going to be when x is all real numbers. So we don't really need to consider the negative domain. So the piecewise function is going to be just x squared minus 4 for all real numbers.